overriding
Mm-hmm.
concept. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
the two major role inside the overloading overriding, this also belongs from the polymorphism. We know already what is a hiding, what is abstraction, what is a encapsulation. Okay, so overloading one class inside a two method name will be same and different parameter. This is called overloading. Got it? And now we will be overriding. What is a overriding? Overriding is known as a runtime polymorphism or dynamic polymorphism or late binding. You can say. If people will ask you what is a late binding, you can say that definition about a overriding. If people will ask you what is a dynamic, you can say the overriding. If people will ask you what is a runtime polymorphism, you can say about the overriding. Okay. It has a also some predefined rules. In overriding method, name and argument must be same. Whereas if you will go to the overloading, method name is the same but argument is different. But here argument must be same. So one is different between overloading and overriding. Method signature must be same. Means method name and whatever you will pass the parameter, you will be match inside the overriding. In overriding, return type must be matched. Means whatever you will be take in the parent class method, void, suppose that to child class also same. This rule is applicable until 1.4. 1.4 the JDK version. From 1.5 version onward, covariant return type means based on the requirement. Suppose you have a parent class method, okay, inside the method return type will be object. Based on the parent class method, you can take in the child class also you have a one method. You will be take the method different return type. I will be give you so in the example. Type or allow according to this. Child method return type need not be same as a parent method return type. Okay, see here we have an example. Suppose we have a parent class. We have a parent class and we are creating one methods. Return type is object. Okay, so by default value of the object null. So we are initialize here. Okay, then child class extend parent class. Okay, and method name will be same, but return type is different. Here return type is a child, here return type is a object. This is also super class. Means we are discussing covariant return type means that will be eligible for only object type. Suppose return type is also object. What is this? Object is a, tell me, can you say that object? What is object? Hello, hello,
Yes, yes, yeah.
are you getting what is object? Can you say? Hello.
It's a reference for a class, and it's a reference variable that you can call it as.
It is a reference variable. You are saying that.
Yeah.
See, this is the reference variable. This is the our object class. We are saying that object class. This is the object class return type means we have a me method. We have return type is a object class. It is also treated as a super class already discussed in the class. Okay. Here we see we have a same methods in the overriding. Parent class method will be same. Parent class method and child class method will be same. Okay, and return type is different. That's why we are saying the technical word covariant. See, we have a covariant return type. Okay, got it? But if you will be use here int, so you have need to the int also here, because this belongs to the primitive data type. How many primitive data type in Java? Can you say?
Number, integer.
No. Int, byte, short, char,
Yeah.
boolean, long, float. We have a 8 primitive data type.
Okay.
Correct.
Got it?
Yeah.
So whenever you will be use the primitive data type, you should same as a child also. But whenever you will be object type, okay, so you can do the different. Where from where? JDK 1.5, not JDK 1.4. Onward 1.5 to till version, you can use this concept. Return type only object type. This is the major role for every project. People are asking that what is the difference between will come in the 1.5. This adventure will be means advantage will come in 1.5 only, not a 1.4. If you will talk about a primitive data type, they will be treated as a same 1.4 and 1.5. But if you will talk about the object type, you will be covariant type, means you can use the different. Suppose you have a parent class method, you will be use the object different, and here also you can use a different. That's why we are writing the covariant return type. Got it my point? Hello.
Yes.
So overriding means we have a two class, parent class and child class, both having a same method, okay, and a different parameter. This is called overriding. It will become in 1.5 version. But parent class method and child class method have a same, and return type will be same on 1.4 and 1.5 also, but only for primitive data type, not a object type. Okay, got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is the major role, and interviewer will be also asked to everyone. People are really consider on this topic or not. Got it? So that's
Yeah.
why. So that's why we are focused on that. The most important. See, it is a valid JDK 1.4 version but invalid in 1.4. If you will use this program on 1.4 JDK version, it will be not work because it is eligible from 1.5 JDK version also, not a 1.4. Okay? So covariant return type concept applicable only for object type, but not for primitive type. Primitive means data type, whatever you know. So that's why I request to every developer, please at least on the finger always remember how many data type, what are the size of that, and object superclass, how many method is there, you will be always remember, because based on the understanding you will be use in your code. We cannot override parent class final method. We cannot override parent class final method. Suppose we have a final method here. Suppose we have a final method here. We cannot override here. We cannot override here because it is belongs to parents. Parent do not want to share private property to the child class. Got it?
Yeah.
Parent will be not give the privilege to child to share a, because here is the final. Okay? So that's why we are right here. We cannot override private parent class final method, but we can use it as it is. Means you can normally you can use as private member are not visible in child class. Suppose if you will use here private, it will be also treated as a normal. They will be not giving the privilege as a shareable method if you will use. Okay, so that's why we are using here private method not visible in child class. Hence overriding concept is not applicable for private method. Okay, got it? Overriding concept is not applicable for private method. Then based on our requirement we can declare the same parent class private method in child class also. It is valid but not as a override. Suppose we have a parent class also private method and child class also private method. That condition they will be not doing the overriding. They will be treated as a normal operation. They will be treated as a normal operation. Got it my point?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the concept of the overriding. And overriding and overloading concept come inside the polymorphism. That's why we are saying the flexibility means one Suppose we have a mobile. Through the mobile we can do the multiple task. Sometime we are listening the song, sometime we are doing the chatting, sometime we are doing the call, sometime we are using the calculator. Means four or multiple tasks performed by the mobile. The same thing happen the polymorphism. Interviewer ask, tell me the real time example of the polymorphism. Suppose you have a remote. Sometime through the remote you can do the 99 number channel, one number channel. They will be treat as a dynamically, okay, or they treat as a statically also, sequence by 1 2 3 4, or directly 1 to directly 25. If 25 directly go to the 90. So that's that kind of the acknowledgement treat through the remote. The same thing happen through the polymorphism in the Java. That's why we are dividing compile time and run time. Sometimes we are dividing the static and dynamic. Sometimes we are dividing the late binding, yearly binding. So this concept will be totally more important for every developer. So we can use same name to represent a multiple form. It is also called is a polymorphism. We can use same name to name. Suppose same name mobile. Multiple form means mobile can do the multiple work. That's why mobile remote. I'm giving the example to you. Okay. Two type of polymorphism: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. You can say that overloading, overriding. You can say the yearly binding. Compile time means in yearly. Whatever doing the mistake during the compilation. You see last class also we are doing. So how was your practice on Eclipse? Is it good?
Yes.
Okay. So whatever you will do the practice, you will be more depth inside the also Eclipse or Notepad.
No, we prefer to go with Eclipse because more or less you'll stay on that front, right? So understanding Eclipse also will be an advantage for us. So yeah, I understand the reason you are asking us to type it in a notepad to get more grip on syntax.
Okay.
Having said that, but we would like to get it just with Eclipse as well, just not a day or two, maybe throughout the sessions. If you use Eclipse or NetBeans, we'll get a familiarity on IDE as well.
Yeah. So what do you like most? Eclipse or NetBeans or Notepad++? Tell me.
No, we haven't worked so far on NetBeans, but yeah, really, I'm happy to see to typing the code in Eclipse. But if you can bring in NetBeans also, it will be help for us.
Okay. Yes, you can do also NetBeans. Okay. So I will be teach to you both. Okay. NetBeans and Eclipse, Notepad++,
Yeah.
because both are open source and we have a lots of resource also required inside the project. So no worry
Right.
about that.
Yeah. The other day, the way you are explaining about kind of what do you say? Where is that GRE setting creation of a project kind of, we are getting a more clarity on, on the Eclipse IDE as well.
Yes.
So that helps a lot for us.
Yeah. So how to set that? Yeah, I will be teach you where based on the. Suppose we are going to the. Did you work on that NetBeans? Did
No,
you?
so far we haven't. So I want you to give us, kind of a download link also so that we'll get downloaded and we'll get ready when you ready to teach on that. So
Okay. So right now you want to download NetBeans?
yeah, if you can give us an URL from where we can download, as you're saying, it's a free of cost. We'll
See,
be ready with that.
directly you can search on the net. Go to the. Okay. See NetBeans download ID.
Okay.
netbeans.org. Did
Mm-hmm.
you reach in your system?
Yeah, I'm going there.
Okay. See, we have a some version 8 point. Based on that, you can use. See, we have a JSC. See, we have a example what kind of you want. JSC, Java EE, HTML, JavaScript, PHP, C++, all. Okay. So all are kind of the program you can run through the NetBeans. They have a some uh, example and some step will also there. Okay, so what is your can you say that processor 64 or 32?
64 bit, yeah.
Okay, so you have also option here. See, if you want to that, you can download here. If you want to here, you can download here. If you want, you can do the 64. If you want PHP, you can do that. C++ you can use. All you can do. Got it?
Yeah.
So
So which one you suggest we'll go for all, because we might be working on a C and Java
yeah.
E. Of course, we'll be writing HTML, JavaScript. So
That's
I would prefer
better.
to go for all.
Yes.
Yeah.
So based on that, you can download.
Okay.
See your
Need
download
to
should start
all.
automatically. If not, download click here. So right now we are getting a download. See, did you get?
Yeah, I'm trying to download that.
So right now we have NetBeans 8.2 version. Already we have 8.1. Got it? So this is the latest.
8.2. Okay.
We have a already installed 8.1, but we are a download right now 8.2. NetBeans 8.2
Okay.
install for Windows English version and NetBeans 8.2 Windows exit out. Some detail will be that. Okay, release not and
Mohan,
some.
you're asking something?
No.
Yeah, download all, correct?
Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
you can
Yeah.
install download all on your system. That's better for you. Okay.
Okay, let's do it on Eclipse today. Let everybody download and they'll be ready for tomorrow. Maybe you can execute programs tomorrow on NetBeans.
Okay. So no worry about that. So this one is that
Okay.
already we have a see we are getting a exception. Why? Because we have a both method is a same without parameter. This is a part of the overloading. Got it? This is a
Yeah.
part of the overloading and we are getting inside the one class. But whenever you will discuss overriding means we have a two class and both class having a same method and we have a different parameter as a same method and same sorry we are creating one also again.
No, what is it you're trying to do now? You're trying to do overloading and overriding. You want to show
Yeah,
example for that?
yes, so that's why your clarity will be clear right now. Okay, so right now
Yeah.
we will create one other class. Test demo. Okay, so we have a public void add method. See, we are a pass int I. Suppose we are pass int return I into F.
So void needs, okay, return type needs to be changed, right?
Yes. See, we are getting some instruction also add return type. this advantage will become inside the ID only. But as a developer, if you will use there, is it possible? Nothing. It will be not give you instruction. Got it?
True. True.
See, we are getting right now. Why we are getting?
No, the return type for the first method should be float because float plus integer will be a float. So
Yes.
int will not work there.
So because they will giving the first priority of the float. Got it? So that's why we are right here. How compiler will understand? Good. How compiler will we understand? Byte first. Okay. Second, can you say data type name? Second, sort.
Short. Yeah.
Int. Okay. Then long. Then float. Double. Okay. Then
And char. Char.
yes. Char. Directly you can. Okay. See, this is the way to compiler understand the explicitly. Suppose you have a byte, okay? If you will be count byte plus sort, they will be come into the higher priority of int only. If you will char plus char, they will go to the come from int, okay? Whenever you will be add long and int and long, they will priority will be the long only. So that same thing happening here also. We are add float and long on, but they are giving to the, then again problem will be solved. See, our problem has been solved. Got it? Hello?
No idea.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
listen. See, this is the way to understand the compiler by default inside the JVM. Okay? This is the best. They are giving the best on the priority of the hub. See how much byte of the byte? 1 byte. Got it? Sort, how much? Size? Can you
2
say?
bytes. 2
Okay.
bytes. 2
Int,
bytes.
int,
4 bytes.
long,
8 bytes.
float,
4 bytes.
double,
Again 8 bytes.
yes, char,
It's 2 bytes.
Yeah. So this is the way to understand the compiler by default. This is called the explicit. Whenever you will build the explicit is responsible by the developer only. Means double to float, float to long, long to int to short, int to char. This is the responsible of developer. That's why we will learn in the casting. Okay. Explicit casting. This is the implicit casting, just like behave as a through the compiler only. Here we are not responsible as a developer. This is the normal flow by the compiler only. Got it?
Okay.
So same thing happen whenever. Did you do the practice in your system to add a byte to where you will hold? Suppose we are simple one example. What kind of exception you will be get? Demo one. Suppose we have a byte b equal to 5. Okay. Then byte e equal to 10. Okay. Then byte y equal to b plus e. Okay. See why they are getting exception. Can you say anything else?
Yeah. That cannot be, I mean, 1 byte. Why the value is more than 1 byte, so which is giving an error. So it
He
cannot
has
be
a
a data type.
he has a not capability to hold the size of b and e as a byte.
Correct.
Got it? So that's
Yeah.
suppose we are try to sort. They have also
Mhm.
not capability to hold 2 byte value in the sort. But right now, if you will use the int, the problem has been solved. Got it?
Yeah.
So that's why compiler understand what kind of, where are you getting the exception? During the compilation. If you will the same program on the ID, you will be not get the any, without compilation you will be not get. Got it or not?
Yeah.
Without compilation, that's why I refer to student, please do the practice on the ID. So that's why compiler understand based on the rules, based on the priority, how much they are consuming the size. Got it? So
Yeah.
sometime they will be also ask the interviewer also. Got it my point or not? Hello.
Yes.
So this is the way. So we are. So did you understand what is that overloading? We have a two method, same method inside the class, but different return type. Different return type. Return type are not affected in the overloading, but if you will do the same thing inside the overriding, they will be affected because it is belongs to the primitive data type, because it is belongs to the primitive data type, only eligible for object type. Got it?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay. So now I will be create overriding demo. We have a one class. Inside the class, suppose we have public object me method return null. Okay. Then Again we will create another class, child extend okay, string. See, this is the overriding concept. Overriding concept have parent class having a same method, child class also having a same method, but return type is a different. You can write from 1.5 version JDK. This concept is only applicable only for the covariant return type JDK 1.5. But if you will be write as a, then we will go. See, we will not write here. You can make another class that's better for understand how to call and use. Suppose we have a, okay, we will be create public test demo 2. We can change the class name, go to that, and then go to the save. Okay, why they are getting, okay, I see, they are getting exception because
Test demo 2 is already there, right? So
test 2 we are creating, the problem has been solved because we are taking a one class, okay, overriding demo. We are taking another class where we are extending the parent class property inside the child class, and both class behavior will be called inside the creating a one class. Okay, got it?
yeah, yeah.
So this is the main method we are creating. Again we will be call.
Hang on, Sanjay. So how did you got that shortcut? What is the shortcut you used to create that entire main has been come, right?
Already told you main and then control space.
Okay.
Okay, see we are, no, right now already written, so I will be delete.
Right.
You can write
Yeah.
main
So
control.
any keyword after any keyword after control A will give you sessions.
Yeah,
Is
yeah,
that right?
same thing happened. See, you will write the main, okay? Then if you will write the main, then control plus space you can write press. You will also get. You can do that practice.
Okay, I got it. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, got it? The same. They are giving the instruction public static void main stringer, so you can do that. See, we have okay,
Okay.
okay, and we have override. We are also getting that. See, we have a package name and class name. We are get. override demo equal to new, we are getting semicolon. Again we will do dot, which method we are declaring? Me method. We have a me method object return type from the overriding. So we will call and semicolon. Right now, if we will be run this program, suppose we have a two option, run on server or one run on a Java application. We are not, this is the standalone application, so we will not use a run on server. This is a standalone application, so we will use the Java application. Whenever you will be learn servlet and JSP, that time I will be configure here Tomcat, and then I will be write the some application in index or file, login, registration, all this kind. That time you will be run through the server only. So right now we'll use Java application. Got it? They have also shortcut. You can use Alt plus Shift plus X J. So directly you can do the shortcut. Major part how you observe that. Got it or not? We have a run and shortcut. All those things. So right now we will get. We are not pass anything else. We are not passing any message. Did you pass anything? No. So that's why compile and success, because return type is a null. So they will be not do anything else. Got it? If you will pass if you will pass any message, they will be get the return. Again, we will be called to the child class. Okay. Again, we will be write child class. Yeah. If you have any question, you can ask.
No, you are running only the override demo.java, right?
Yes.
Or are we running entire package?
See, directly we are calling the detail of the override demo. This is the parent class. Okay.
Okay.
So how I will be do the override between child and parents. Right now you will be see here. Okay.
No. I'm not talking about the content of the source code. I'm asking about running this particular test demo 2.java.
Okay.
Because when I'm selecting run as, I'm not getting an option for run Java program standalone. I'm getting only run on server.
Run on server you are getting?
Yeah, run Java application I'm not getting.
Why you are not getting? You will see that. I think whenever you will install the Eclipse, they have a two option. Means you want to that Eclipse. See, we have already here. We will go to that back. See, we have a two option. We have a two option. Java standard, and if you will be use both, means they will be give the standalone and server both. But if you will use only this one, they will be give the only what? Java application, and they will be give you both. Maybe you will be use only this one. So that's what they are getting. Got it my point or not? Sometime you have, I think, configuration problem is arise. So that's why. Otherwise, no problem anything else. You can get. All are getting a same problem in your system there? Hello?
Mohan, Girish, Ram.
Can you say that all are getting a same problem?
No, in fact, in the package, one of the Java program I'm having a syntax error. So at a package level, it is showing a syntax error. Maybe that's the case. It is not showing to me.
You are getting a syntax error.
See, in the same package, I have multiple programs, right? So one of the program is having syntax error.
Okay, syntax error means you are writing. Did you get any notification there during the syntax error?
No.
You are not getting?
Static.
May I see your
No,
source code? May I see?
how can I share?
You have
I
a
cannot share that.
you have a team viewer?
No, that is not allowed in the inside the company.
Okay, okay, okay. So no worry about that. So that's the problem. If you have possible copy paste, can you say no? Not possible. I think here also in the chat syntax. So you have a package in your system. You have a package. Am I right?
Yes. Yes.
You have a class.
Yes.
You have a method. So where did you get? Can you say?
No. We have some 4-5 Java classes in one package. So one package is having a syntax error. See, the other program you started writing, right? Which one? Byte
Maybe
and
see
integer.
more number of way to getting a syntax error. Sometime maybe you are not select the GRE also, so they are getting the syntax error. Sometime you are not appropriate write maybe capital or small keyword also use. If they will be give the some syntax error. See, we will be capital. They will also getting a some. Sometime maybe you will be write small and you will be resolve this also getting a syntax error. Got it?
Yeah.
So you can see there maybe you are out of the rules, so that's why you are getting exception.
Okay.
So you are right, will public keyword all those things. Then again we will be solved. So that's why developer is responsible to know all those things. Did you write?
Okay.
So you can do. Where did you get method or class or return type in the syntax error? Can you say?
No. No, in the test demo one where you showed, could your test demo one.java?
Test dot one dot Java.
Test demo one.
Okay.
Yeah, open that search.
Okay, you have open.
So here I'm trying to display the value of the y.
Okay.
If you type system dot print out dot,
Here.
can you type? Yeah,
Okay.
can you type system dot?
SYS shortcut you can use also. SYS OT
Okay.
control space you are getting direct Y. You will be
Yeah,
get
but
also you will be get the also exception.
yeah, that is what I'm trying to resolve it. That is the error right now I'm
So
facing.
remember your rules. What did you learn inside the variable? Tell me. What is the use of the how did you call the instance variable inside the static area? Can you say?
I think it is saying it should be a static need to be declared.
Okay, if you will declare the static, problem will be solved. Am I right?
Yeah, but
Okay.
still again, that
Again
is
you
not
will be say,
working out.
yeah,
Yeah,
you are getting. So can you say that how you will be resolved? Please tell me. You already know. Tell me.
you have to declare a reference variable, then you have to display it.
Reference variable. Okay. So we have need to the object. Got it?
Right.
We have need
Right.
to the object one equal to test
Say tst
demo
is
equal
equal
to new test demo.
demo one.
Then we will say test demo dot y. See,
Y.
problem has been solved or not?
Right.
Got it? So
Yeah.
please, I request to all, you should remember the rules. Whenever you will be do the mistake rules out of, they will face the problem. That's the problem in the MNC also. More number of people are have experience also, but they are forget all the basic fundamentals rules because they are doing the finally copy paste. If you will do the practice fundamentals, you will be enjoy. Okay,
Okay. Yeah.
got it?
Yes.
See, we have layout already. By default, they are taking the curly brackets from here. You can also from right, but this is not good culture in the corporate or anything else. You can also, you will be learn here and there. You will be see the here, but this is not rule as a developer. So you should do that. Control, Control A, Control Shift F. the structure will become. Got it?
Say that again.
See, we are doing that. Control A, Control A, did you get?
To select everything. Yes.
And then Control Shift F.
Format. Okay.
Yes. So you get, see, we are the standard format. Again, you can save Control S. So you can write the also shortcut in your notebook. You will be do that. Got it?
Yeah.
So your problem has been solved or not? So did you understand how you will be called the non-static variable or instance variable or global variable inside the static area?
Yeah.
Only one way, creating an object through the object reference we can call. If you will make the static here, you have need to the also static. Got it or not?
Yeah.
Because you are getting an exception, then again how you will be resolved? Static, all those things you have required. See, he become a static, that's also problem solved. Static, the problem has been solved. See, so if developer not know the knowledge and rules, what will do? Is it possible to solve the problem? So that's why again you can directly call because static is there.
Okay. And I'm seeing one more problem.
Yeah, tell me.
Suppose you just select your cal.java program from your package.
CI,
The first one, cal.java.
this one,
Yeah, select and right click.
select.
No. You just highlight that cal.java and right click.
I'm not, hello, please pardon, I'm not getting, hello.
No, you just write, don't come into the source code. You just put your cursor on cal.java. Just highlight that particular
Okay.
Java class and click on. So run as.
Okay.
You're getting run on server and Java application, right?
Yes.
But if I select one class, I'm getting for few classes, I'm getting both the things. I mean to say, the same cal.java, I'm getting run as both run on server and Java application.
Okay.
But the override demo.java, the example what you just explained, I think, which I'm getting only a run on server. I'm not getting the second option. So maybe the way I created the class is making a difference. Maybe some property needs to be changed. You got my problem, right?
You are asking that whenever we are doing the override demo and right click there, you are getting a you are not getting a Java application, am I right?
Correct. That's right.
Okay.
So maybe the way I created the class is a problem. That's what I'm thinking.
Okay. See, we have a demo class, this one, na? Okay.
Yeah.
Not this one, demo 2. See, we have a 1, 2, 3 class. Okay.
Correct. Okay.
If you will be not use public, what will do? Get exception or not, or what will be happen? Okay. Remove the public first. See what did you get? Did you get anything else?
Oh, I'm just looking there. No, I didn't write public.
Because see, if you will be use the multiple class, if you will use multiple class, you should remember public is required in one class. That's why easily to understand compiler, the based on the class name you can. Right now, he's treated as a, this is the man. Through the test.demo, we are compile and run because he has holding the main method. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah. He is holding a main method. If you are not holding the main method, compiler will be confused. Which class will we want to run? First, tell me. So what we'll do on that time? So that's why we are configuring that. Got it or not?
Okay. Okay.
So the same thing happen whenever you build the, today I will discuss also package, how you will be interconnected to each other. Okay. So got it my point what I am saying to you? Suppose you have a n number of the class. Okay.
Yeah, that I understand.
Okay.
But still, that problem is not solved because I'm still getting
Here,
only
here,
run on server.
here you are getting run on server. Am I right?
Yeah, I'm not getting Java application.
Okay.
Second option, I'm not getting. See, I've created a class called override demo.java.
Okay. So
And
where did you write the main method inside the override demo or you are creating the test demo that where did you write main method? Can you say?
no, it is an override demo only. All three classes in single one.
You are right. All the three classes inside that only.
Right. You just go up once in your source code.
This one is our source code. This one is our
Yeah, first class. Yeah, I just saved this class as
this
an override
this
demo.
class is separate. See, we are open the curly brackets and close the curly brackets. This one open the method. So we are not calling all class inside that. This class inside the
Correct.
package only. Okay.
Correct.
So that's
Correct.
why again we are creating another class. We are extending the override method right now. Whatever he has hold the methods, we are extend one class only from there.
Mhm.
Okay. So they have
Okay.
also separate. This also not separate. They are not belongs to each other. Don't compare to the here and there. Okay. This is different.
Mhm.
They are separate.
Mhm.
Okay. So
Okay.
did you do
Mhm.
that in your system?
Yes.
Okay. Then again we are
Class.
creating a one class. Inside the
Mhm.
class, whenever we are calling the super class and child class, we are creating an object. That's why we are eligible for that calling. Got it?
Correct. Correct.
So did you do in your system same thing?
Yes. Yes. But I saved this particular class as
So
override demo.
please save your system the name of the test demo. Where did you write the main method? If you will be save
Okay.
override method name, you will be get the exception.
Okay. So should I do to rename the class?
Yeah,
The
you
other
can,
day you told
yeah,
me
the
some.
right click, go to the refactor and go to the rename and do that from here. I hope you will do the all peoples. Okay, so get the more information.
I'm not getting refactor as well for that.
You are not getting
Refactors also I'm not getting.
right click,
Hmm.
go to the build path source
Yeah.
you have source refactor.
Yeah. Yeah.
Did
Yeah.
you get?
Yeah. Rename.
Go to the rename and
Hmm.
then you can change the name. Got it?
No, I'm getting an error on that. If I'm trying to do the error, what I'm getting is if I give test
Okay.
demo 2,
Okay.
I should spell out entire .java, or if I give test demo 2 is enough.
Test demo dot java extension will by default they will tick. You have not write dot java. See, we
But
have
I'm getting type name test demo 2 already exists in the package.
your
Another
type.
type named is reference override demo. Semantics may not be prevented to proceed.
So so did you write all those things same as your unit system?
Yes. Now I'm getting an error and
Are you
test
getting
demo
error
2.
here? Are you getting error here or here? Source file or
Okay,
file?
okay.
Where did you
No,
get?
no, no. Hang on. I got an error.
Did you got?
No, I think I need to change these things. Override. Just give me a second. I'm
Okay.
just trying to connect it.
Okay, okay. No worry.
Yeah, now I'm getting at the Java applications. I got it.
Got it? Why did you do the
Yeah.
mistake? What?
No, actually, when we changed it to test demo 2, I think the override class name also got changed by automatically.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
now I just renamed it back to override demo,
This
so
one.
it all works now.
Here, I think you will
Yeah,
get the problem. Am I right?
right, right, right.
Yes. Okay, okay. So no worry. So your problem has been solved.
Yes.
Again, we will be right dot me methods. The child class. We belongs to the child class. Enter. So they will be treated as a normal. Okay.
So child is not a keyword.
Child is a class. This is the class. This is the reference variable. This one is the constructor.
No, no, no.
Yeah.
You defined class child you have written, right? When you're defining the class, child.
Okay. Child is a class. Okay.
Is it not a reserve word?
No, this is not reserved. This is the class. This is the class word. You are right that this is the class. This one is the class is the keyword, but name is not keyword. Class name is different.
Okay, so I can write child 1, child 2, or your name, my name, anything, I can write it over there.
Yes. Okay.
Okay.
Again, we will be right. Right. See, we have a two option override annotations, and we are belongs to the org dot. So you should remember all those things. We have override demo1 equal to new override again right now parent class reference hold a child class object. Right now parent class reference hold the child class object. See, we have a parent class, this one the child class. So parent class have a privilege and reference to hold child class object. Got it? On
Yeah.
that stage we will do the overriding. We will use override. See, we have a option. See, me object demo. Me object belongs to the override. Got it?
Yeah.
This one is the not belong to child. They have a privilege. Means right now child class object have a privilege to take the method from the parent class. Got it? That is
Yes.
called overriding. Okay, this is called, you can say, overriding concept. See, your problem has been solved. Got it? The same
Yeah.
thing happen if you have a multiple method have a same name. You can use, suppose in the real time example, mostly we are taking that. Suppose child have a privilege to take all the method, means property, status, gold, whatever it define inside the class. But whatever the method have a personal life. Suppose parents are giving the request to college name. Okay, you will be take the admission in the engineering the same college. So student may will be not ready for take the admission in this college. So they are deliver the college name method will be same, but student have child have to privilege 4 or 5 college name. So they based on the requirement they will be they will be override. Okay, inside the study method, suppose parent have a study method, child have also a study method, but inside the study method only one class, only one college name, but child have in a study method multiple college name, means 4 5. So on that state child is eligible to hide the parent class method. Got it?
Yeah.
So that same thing happening. So you can write this program and run.
Yeah.
Okay. You have done?
They have copied the two.
Okay. So did you understand what is a covariant concept come from 1.5 version to till date? Got it?
Yes.
Okay. So this one is the only for Apple different data type, different return type only applicable for object type, not a primitive type.
Okay.
Okay. This is come for only for the covariant data type applicable only for object type but not a primitive type. Got it?
Yeah.
So did you understand what is the polymorphism and what type of the inside that? Overloading and overriding. So
Yeah.
what is overriding? Can you say? What is overriding?
So using the say methods having same signature,
Okay.
uh, the logic will be maybe different, but it can be invoked from different places. I mean to say, like the example what you showed is one class is having a return type of string, one is having a return type of integer, but still the same method can be invoked with this same number of arguments.
Okay. See, in overloading, we have a one class, okay, and method will be same name with different parameter, with different parameter or argument. You can say the overloading. Their return type will be not affected in a overloading, but in one in overriding concept, we have a two class and both class having a same method and return type also same for primitive data type, but whenever you will be discuss the object type means covariant type, return type will be different. Okay, this is called overriding. Got it?
Yeah.
So you have a complete overriding and overloading concept. Okay. So now I will be discuss about the package. What is a package? Already you know about that package. How to do that? Okay. So some
Right. Right.
command prompt, how you will be create the package name on the command prompt also I will be discuss. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So now what is package? It is an encapsulated mechanism to group related class and interface into the single model. Means you have a, see I will be discuss a little more about one things also. Actually we did not get how to inherit. We right now I will discuss how you will be access the method from the interface. Already you know interface, but how you will be used you did not see. Okay. So right now one more things, interface demo 3. Interface contain test. Okay, it has also public void add method.
What is that we are trying to do now?
Right now we are doing that how interface you will be implement inside the class. Means right, already last class you say one class extend a one child class extend the super class. Right now how you will be call interface inside the class. Okay.
Okay.
So multiple inheritance concept is also required. Got it? So now we will do, we are getting test name also. Already we have. Okay. Face test 2. We have public void 8. Okay. Test. We have a 3 interface. Okay. Test 1, test 2, test 3. Every have a same method. Got it? Every have a same method to how to call this interface. Okay. Test 2, test 3. Why did you get? Okay. Got it? Right now we have a 1, 2, 3 method. Sorry, 3 interface. So 3 interface we are implement call inside the class. Through the implements keyword we can. But if you will be, suppose that here we have a 3 class. If you will be extend 3 class, not possible. Only one class is possible inside the one class. So that's why we are saying that multiple inheritance concept is useful and come inside the Java. This is the advantage. Got it? My point? So now see we will do test. Suppose we'll pass. Okay, we'll pass test t equal to new, which will pass here one message. We will do directly, you can do here also, or direct you can write. Again we will do that test dot add method. See, this test method belongs to test current class. Okay, we have a privilege. Again we will do test 1 t1 equal to new test demo. See, means interface have a privilege. Interface reference can hold class object also. See, we will do test1 dot. See, this one method is belongs to this interface. Got it? Okay. See, again we will write test2 equal to test t2 equal to new test demo. Okay, test2 dot. See, this is belongs to from this class, this interface. See, okay, the same thing. Test3 equal to test3 dot new test, this one. Got it? Test3 dot, this one also belongs to. Did you get advantage? What did you get? Through the interface, suppose you have a predefined interface, you can take and use in your current class. Okay, and through that you can override also method. See, we will get what kind of the output you will be get. See, we are getting 1 2 3 4 because we are override this method to all the interface method. Got it?
But you haven't defined anything in the interface, right?
Inside that interface we are declare a one method. Okay, we are declare one method, we are declaring a method, but what did you do? Means we are doing the override means what? Whatever the child want to parent method modification, they can do that. So that same thing, method have a parents as a same, but child want to pass this what he want. Okay, child he want message, that's what we are getting here. Got it or not?
Okay.
Okay, so the same thing happen in the real life. Suppose you have a predefined interface in your organization in a business class, based on the requirement you can use. This is the advantage. You can do the multiple interface. You can do. See, we have a 3 interface, but suppose we have a 1 class here, or suppose you have a 2 class, you can extend only 1 class, not a multiple class. Okay,
Okay.
so you can write this program also. See, overriding is also big chapter for understanding all the details. We are giving the some details, information, where did you get problem and what kind of information you are getting inside that. And if you have raise any question, you can ask.
No, as of now, I'm good.
Okay.
Can you scroll down?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Okay, copied.
You have done?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, so did you get how interface you can access inside your class? Okay. The same thing happen also. Sometime you will overriding or overloading when you get the information. I will be give the right now. We'll start the package. What how you will be do that? Okay. So package, inside the package you already see. Inside a package we have a one package. Inside the package class interface and class combination. Class combination. So you can say that encapsulation, they are hiding the security. You can say the package the group of the class and interface. Already you will be remember whenever I discuss Java is a API and document file. Document file means there is a package. Inside the package multiple package is there. Java.lang package, Java dot see we have a we are discuss Java API. What is means Java API? Can you say what is meaning Java API?
Application program interface.
Okay, document file. You can say that document file. After that, inside that, the combination of package. Package. Inside that package, what are we have? Okay, what are the packages there? Can you say package name? Can you say two or three package name? Tell me Java dot lang package. Java dot
String,
lang package.
lang,
Okay.
Java dot string.
Java dot string no. String is a class.
Object.
No, 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 no. See, at least you should remember 4 5 package name also, because without predefined package name you cannot utilize what are the class interface inside that. Okay, so already this concept I discussed in the start the class. Right now I discussed with you. Java.io package. Java.io package. Okay. Java.util package. Okay. Again you can take Java dot Java.sql package. Got it?
Yeah.
All these packages we will learn in this session. We have more number of package, java.no package, nio package. So you should remember 4, 5, 6, 7 package, whatever you have possible. But what are the default package among the 4?
Lang.
Lang package. Inside that, what are the class inside interface?
Java.lang.
Java.lang is the package, but inside the package, what are the class interface is there? Okay.
Classes maybe byte or a character or the class itself. All the data types you can name it as a classes actually. The long, enum, float, class, etc.
See, inside the
Again,
Java.lang package, we have a predefined class name, object, string, array, number, package, system, compiler, all these predefined class. Inside the
right.
package, we have a predefined interface, runnable, comparable. See, already I show you in that session,
Yeah, I'm seeing that. Yeah.
JSC API. Because if you
Yeah.
will not remember, very difficult to get more depth. See java.lang package. See what are the interface. Readable, runnable. I will be discuss whenever I discuss a thread, that time I will discuss about the runnable interface, how much importance. Comparable. Whenever you will compare the one object to another sorting purpose that you will use. More number also. Then we have a class. What are the most important class? Object is also class. Package is also treated as a class. Process, string, system, thread, string buffer also a class. Void also treated as a class. We know about that. Okay. Throwable is
Yeah.
also a class. So that's why I request to you, please remember the what are the most important class interface. Number, method, long, integer also a class. Float, if you will use the capital letter as a float, if you will use a small letter, this is a primitive data type. Okay. So you will,
Correct. Correct.
whenever you will wrapper class, there you will be see the capital. This is, see double is small, you will use the small letter. If you do the capital, so that's why wrapper class. Whenever discuss the wrapper class, that's why you will wrapper class also same. Whatever you have a primitive data type, if you use the first letter of the capital, this is a part of the wrapper class. Got it?
Yeah.
Class also a class. So that's why I request you, please remember about that. You will be enjoy your job. Okay. See how much you have a java.applet, awt, more number of the package, but based on the requirement we can use only. See how much package. Is it possible to write all package? Is it possible all package to write here? Is it possible? But what are the most important packages required, we should know. That's the need. Okay. So
Okay.
how many keyword in the Java?
53.
Okay, how many keywords on the modifier level?
11.
Okay, class level.
8.
Okay, exception level.
6. I'm just looking at the table what you have written and I'm telling you.
Okay, not 6. I think a level. Exception level how much? 6. You're getting 6? I think right.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yeah.
6. Yeah, 6.
Okay, and a control flow.
I think it's around 11.
Okay. Data type
7.
7. Okay. Can you say the char by default value?
By default, it's a null default value.
No, no, no. Char by default will be not null. Object by default value is null.
By default, it will be space if it is a character.
No, if you will the character, they have default space. Yes, not a
Yeah,
null. Boolean by default
correct.
value.
I think it's false.
Okay. Double.
0. I think all numeric will fall under 0.
Double. Okay. And float. Not double is
Yeah,
also 0.0. Float. Can you say
yeah.
that? Float.
Float is also 0.0 by default.
Okay. So this is the by default value. So you will be
Yeah.
remember all those times. Right now we are discuss what are the most important keyword, okay, inside the package. So that's why I request to you should remember. Okay. We have
Okay. Okay.
object, we have a classes, we have interfaces here also.
Mm-hmm.
Is we have abstract class, we have annotation, okay, we have enum, okay, we have also two things, error and exception, okay. So we have a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 most important things inside the every package. So that's why I request to know the all details, and that's why interviewer will be asked to you about that. Okay. So see this the all those things for every package belongs, but name will be always different. Maybe class name will be different, but properties required, what is class, what is object, all those things. Got it my point?
Yeah.
So you can write also. We have a one more things also, error. Error we have error, and one more exception. Exception is also most important. Okay. So you can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are all most important things. Major part, object, class, interface, abstract class. The four things, the main actor of the Java. Got it? How to use and how to utilize in the Java program. That's the rules. Got it? And enum annotation come from 1.5 version to till date we are using. If you use enum annotation 1.jdk 1.4, they will not work. Is the advantage. So did you note this diagram in your notebook?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we are discuss package. It is a encapsulated mechanism to group related class and interface into the single module. See, this is the single module and group related class and interface. Got it?
Yeah.
So that's the main. See, this is what kind of package? Can you say what kind of package we are looking here? This is the explicit. This is the explicit, not a implicit. What is meaning implicit or explicit? Can you say?
No, I didn't get your question.
Can you say what kind of the package here? This is the explicit or implicit?
I think Java.lang is an implicit because we are not we are not writing anything called include. So if
Okay.
you're not using include, it will be
Implicit.
implicit.
Okay. So
Yeah.
suppose that, see, whenever you will asterisk in the package, okay, this one is the we are not writing. Suppose whenever you will use the java.io package, so if you will use the asterisk, means Java IO dot package, whatever the class interface they are holding, they will be hold for particular amount of the code. Suppose we have need to the only file. If you will use, if you will not write the file only here, and if you will asterisk, they will be all class, whatever the predefined that inside the java.lang package, they will be used. See, we have a java.lang package, IO package. We have a java.io package. If you will use, asterisk, okay, so this package hold all class interface by default. But as a developer, we will not do that like that. Whatever we have required only I will use. Suppose we have required only class, only required file. So I will be write java.io.file semicolon. So that will be appropriate for me, and that will be appropriate for other developer also. He can easily understand, okay, here define only for the file class. But if you will use asterisk, they will be very difficult to understand what kind of class interface they are calling. Got it? Hello? Are you getting my point?
Yes.
Are you getting my point
Yes.
or not?
Yes.
So
Yes.
that's why right now more number of developer using asterisks, and they are not focused on the package. If you become the really good developer, if you have 5,000 or 20,000 your code inside that, suppose that if you know about the package importance, explicit, implicit, easily can you can understand what kind of the package and class call here. Okay, suppose here
Okay.
more number of package. Okay, so easily before going to inside the code, you can easily to understand what are the class interface explicit here. Got it or not?
Okay.
Suppose
Yeah.
we are import java.io. See, if I will be use asterisk, see how what is the difference between them. Okay, suppose we will use java dot. See how the IO package hold more number of the classes and interface. Very difficult to understand what kind of the class interface we have required. But if I will use file, problem has been solved. Got it? Means as a developer, easily to understand this class hold a file class. But as a developer, if you use this kind of the package, they will be very difficult without seeing the all source code or source file, which class we are calling inside that. Got it?
Yeah.
So that's why request to developer who are doing the development here saying that I have a 5 years experience or 10 years in development part, but we are facing because they forget the rules or regulation, whatever they're doing that. So you should don't use the explicit, always use explicit. Okay, always implicit you are using, don't use explicit. Okay.
Okay.
So to re to resolve a naming conflict means easily people can understand which class belongs to which package. To provide a security to the class and interface, definitely they are providing the security, because before call this interface or before call this class, we have need to the address. Got it? So they are providing the security. Suppose you are sitting in your company, company provide the security to you during your job period. Am I right? Okay, someone if you want to find to you, first he will be reached to your address, where your company and what is your address, then he will contact with your security, then meet to you. The same thing happen here. If people will you want to outside people, if you want to meet to the test1 interface, if outside people you want to the test2 interface, if outside people want to meet through the test3 interface, or if you want to other side people meet to the this class, he will first come to the org.multisoft system, then possible to call this class and interface. Got it?
Yeah.
So this is the most important of that package. So outside person cannot access directly. To provide security to classes and interface, so that outside person cannot directly. Security is every people have a need to security in their life. Got it or not?
Yes.
So
Yes.
it improve modularity of the application. There is no universally accepted conversion to the name package. So right now to use internal domain name in reverse. Suppose we have a com is also domain. We have a bank, SBI. Inside the SBI loan system, inside the loan system, house loan, and you have a account. So before reach to the account, we have need four things. Got it? So
Yeah.
he has a more security. That's why banking domain has need to the security also everywhere in the Alsaldo company. Suppose you are going to the banking domain project, you have a too much security. Please don't bring your mobile or all those things. Don't share your security from other people also. Am I right or not? So
Yes.
through the package, we can got the importance of that. Okay. Then this is the com domain name in reverse. Okay. Loan module name. Okay. Okay, then housing loan sub-module inside that account is the class name. So we are divide and categorize all those things. Okay, dot communicate between the two. This is a domain. If you dot, they will be making the relation between the each other. Got it?
Hmm.
Then same thing. Suppose we have a package com dot multi-soft system IT training public class IT training public static voidman you can pass and you can do that. Got it?
Yes.
So you want to note this notes, all those things?
Yeah, 1 minute. 1 minute. Can you up the screen?
Okay, okay.
Okay, done.
I have done.
So you mean to say the com.sbi.loan.housing and all those things are packages?
Yes, this one is from all the packages, and this one you're a class. Okay,
So package inside a package inside a package.
that's why we are saying that a sub module. Okay,
Okay.
maybe more number of lengthy. See, all those things based on the requirement. Suppose your client have a need only 2 things you can do, otherwise you can do. Okay, maybe sub, and inside the house line there will be also some specific 2 BHK, 1 BHK, all those things. Maybe, got it? So house inside the also some class will be arise that. So don't worry about that. So package is the most important. If really developer want to enjoy the job, please use implicit package, easily understand. And every class, whatever the concept will be that easily will be enjoy based on the rules.
Okay.
So you have done?
Yeah.
Okay. So now the proper structure of the Java source file. See, every class have a one package, default or predefined, means whatever you want predefined or customized. So you know he, in this class have also by default package. Am I right? In this class by default one package. What package can you say?
Test car demo.
Pardon?
The test car demo, that's a package name you include.
This one we are creating, but by default what package if you're not right?
Lang.
Yes, this is the fact. So that's why we will do, see, we are using every class have a one package, and import statement. Suppose inside a class you will be call another class, so multiple, mean any number of import statement are eligible. Okay, got it? Means suppose you have
Yeah.
a one package, you can here multiple import, you can do that. Okay, but if you'll do the
Yeah.
multiple package, you will be get the error. Got it?
Yeah.
Suppose, okay, this one, where this one. So, and class interface enum declaration any number, means you know here we can do the class interface enum, you can multiple time you can declare, they will be not affected. So this is the also rule you can write. You have done this program?
Yes.
Okay, so you can write the proper structure of Java source file. Already told you how much importance of the identifier, how much importance of the keyword, how much importance of object, superclass and method, and what are the rules of the class, what are the rules of interface, what is the rule of abstract class. If you will learn all those things every day, at least half and 1 hour, you will be very enjoy in the job. Okay, so you can write this proper structure Java source file.
What is that minus D parameter will do for us?
What is minus? This one?
Last statement.
This
No,
one?
no,
This one?
no. Last statement. You commented out, right? Java C, you're given minus D, you're
Oh,
given,
this
right?
one. This one.
Hmm.
Okay, well, I will tell you. Don't worry about that. How to go destination. Only destination to place generated class file. Where did you create your class? All those things. I will be give you example here. So did you not?
Yeah, yeah.
I will be tell you. Okay. So don't worry. Did you not all those things?
Yes.
Okay. So see, D-D destination to place generated class file means where you generate all. Suppose this is our Java file. Whenever compile, they generate a dot class file. Am I right or not?
Mm-hmm.
So that same thing will be generate through the package destination current working directory. They denoted through the dot current working directory where you want. Got it or not? The same thing
Okay.
will be come through the command prompt. So right now I will be go on that. Suppose we have I will be teach you something tricky. Hello.
Yes.
Okay, so now what we have a class name? We have a class name test car demo. Okay, we have a class name test car demo. We have a package test car demo. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
So right now we will do the copy and go to the Java C space D dot test dot Java. Okay, so we are going to the current. So where we will go Java program, then go to the C Multisoft. See, we are creating a one package. Inside the package, we are creating all class. Got it? Inside the
Mm-hmm.
package, we are getting all class. See, first I will delete, then you will understand. Okay. We will
So
go.
inside this directory, you can paste in some other places also, correct?
Yes, yes, yes.
Now, how do you know you're compiling from command prompt, right? What is the current working directory means? If it is Eclipse, it is
See,
remembering.
yeah, remember,
Here, what is the
because Eclipse also easily to show you have a package, all those class. See, this is the
no, no, no,
hierarchy.
no, no,
This
no,
is the project name, the
no,
source file. Yeah.
no, no, no. My question is, go to command prompt.
Okay.
Here, what do you mean by current working directory?
Means
Dot
suppose,
is a current working directory.
see, we are declaring that package inside the package. This is the file name. Got it? My
Mm-hmm.
point or not?
No, we haven't seen creation of package from
Venkat,
command prompt.
current directory is MSS, no? Not that one?
This
No.
one is our file name. Okay. This were our
Okay.
the file name. So what is the meaning of D? What did you learn? Destination
Current
means
working directory.
source where you place to generated dot class means all generated class will be given. Two way we can achieve through that this one and this one also you can do that. This one is
No,
the
that is
our drive, this one is the folder, and then you can the same thing do by the hyphen D dot. Got it?
no. I understand that. Dot means current working directory. That's what you're mentioning, right?
Yeah, yeah.
What is the current working directory? Where did you mention that?
See this
How does system understand what is the current working directory?
how system will we understand? You are
Yeah.
saying that? See,
Yes.
we have also one command here on the command prompt.
Mm-hmm.
Can you say what is the command? Tell me.
No, I didn't get your question. What is that command you're
So
looking for?
suppose
To see
that
the current level.
if you want to see the all class inside the Multisoft system folder, how did you find? Through the command, you already work on the command DOS. How did you see the DOS, all details, which class from the which belongs to that? Can you say?
Java P.
No, 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 no. Java P is not. This will be so only for you. Java P only for show you the your compilation and then constructor only you consider. But I want to
Okay.
request to you, I want to request to you, suppose this is a compile and this one is the, they're showing the internal constructor, all those things. I want to request you first tell me what are the class and what are the file inside the multi-subsystem folder, how did you find? Through the DOS. Can you say?
No, I don't know.
DOS have a dir command directly to say the all directory. See? Value directory is new value series number is a this one and directory of this one. Got it? We have a
This is
command.
operating system. That is operating system command. I'm looking for a Java command.
Yes, that's why I will be give you. First you can understand. See, where do you discuss? Okay?
Yeah, this is fine. DIR is fine. Yeah, I know that.
Okay. So we are seeing the all the classes, whatever we have create here. Class and Java
Right.
file. Got it? The same thing
Correct.
happen whenever you will be go to the dot or directly you can write this one command. They will be show you there is belongs to this folder only.
This is fine. That I understand. That
Okay.
is clear.
Okay. Then so dot is indicate current working directory inside the Java. That's the procedure.
Okay.
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 Got it?
All right.
So that's why we are creating.
No, Venkat question is how to identify the current. You have destination given and current.
Okay.
There are
So
two.
through that, see,
What is how to, directory means it is showing every folder what I have in the directory.
we should remember the file name. That's why we are understand. File name is required. Okay. Then we can understand.
Okay.
Okay. Without file name, not possible. I will be teach you how you will be compile all dot class file at a one command also. Suppose we have a test car demo. We have a test demo. Suppose we have multiple .jal file. How you will be compile at a one time?
We don't know.
So I will be also give you the here. Okay. So
Okay.
did you get how did you create the package or inside that package all the classes? Did you get?
Yeah. Yeah.
So this one. This one we have. This one, see, we are creating. Got it? So
Yeah.
inside the package we have a separate all classes dot class, 3 class. So we are already hold 3 class. One engine demo, another class car, third is a class test car demo. We have a separate.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Then
What is the advantage of doing like this? Is there any advantage while programming or
this is also advantage.
which way it is?
We are creating a separate package and what are the class. Suppose whenever you will be use the jar, what is full form of the jar? Can you say that? Jar? Did you
Java
have
archive.
Java archive? Okay.
Yeah.
So what is meaning of the Java archive? Can you say?
All classes you're putting in one place.
Yes. So same thing happen here also. Same thing
Okay.
happen all dot class file only. So where is your source file? If people will give me source file, I will be modify main method also.
Okay.
Got it or not? If people
Yes.
will be give me source file, I will modify main method also there. But they are not
Right.
giving. But they are not giving because Oracle founder is there. If I'll modify, the rule will be communicate other people. So that's why this is just like it as a jar. Got it or not? Because
Yes.
jar have a combination of dot class file. All the dot class file inside the package only. See? Got it or not?
Yes.
So real time also, suppose that you have a maintenance project in your organization, they will be also provide to you, okay, package and jar file. They have a predefined class file, all those. Maybe they will be not try to share you all those source file. On that time, you will understand the importance of this concept.
Okay.
Yeah,
Got it? They will be,
Yes.
your client will be also do not want to share whatever your source file. Maybe if you will share, you will understand easy way and you can catch. So they will be not shared to you. They will be share as a demo and you will be create on self and you will modify based on the version. Suppose you have a develop the project on JDK 1.5 or 6. Right now we have a JDK 1.8. Based on the concept, you will be modified. They will be not so shared to your original file, all those things. Got it? So whenever you will be see in the future dot class file, you will understand where is the source file and how do you do that. That is the important. because you know Java is a platform independent backup, because based on the .class file you can run this concept everywhere. Got it? Linux or Mac or Windows you can run, you will get the same output. That is the importance of that. This .class file will be go eligible for run, not already because we are getting a .class file after the .java file. Okay? Hello?
Okay.
Okay.
Are you getting my concept, what I am saying to you? The importance of
Yes.
that? So this is
Yes.
the way of that. You can also do that Java C. Then what command we are using? Another, can you say?
For what?
E. Okay.
Giving a path, giving a package name where it is supposed to reside.
Car demo .java. This also work properly, but first I will be remove this one. See, you will be, oh sorry. See, we are creating, got it? The same
Yeah.
.class file. Maybe in the future in your source, maybe you will see the 100 or 200, you will also see here.
Okay.
Okay. See, if you
Yeah.
have not under, see, we will go to the Oracle dot and one product. We'll go server and go to the JDBC, go to the lab. When we'll discuss in the copy, go to that. Think they will be not extend. Paste. Suppose if you will be, think they will have not option to extend. If you will extend JDBC, okay, they will be get the more number of the .class file. Okay, so this jar file will be eligible for communicate with Java application to the database. I will be show you. Okay, so don't worry about that. Suppose we will be communicate. Suppose we will communicate. So today we have session complete about the package overloading, overriding. Got it? I hope you will be
Yeah.
get the more. If you have any question, you can ask.
I think we are good for today.
Fine.
Okay. So now I
All right, Sanjit. Then
okay.
we'll log in again tomorrow at 11.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
All right. Thank
Okay.
you very much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. See you.